Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Let's get you the latest update from poll-bound Tamil Nadu. And actor turned Neta, TVK chief Vijay is all set to file his nomination for the Tiruchirappalli East Assembly constituency today. And we are now counting down to that big moment for actor turned Neta Vijay. Remember, he's contesting from 2 seats in the upcoming assembly elections in Tamil Nadu, where voting is going to happen on 23rd of April. Let's go across to my colleague Dharini, joining us on the broadcast more on this. Dharini, good morning. It's an important day for Vijay today.
Well, definitely, a couple of days back, we saw TVK Chief Vijay filing his nomination from the, Perambur constituency in Chennai. And today, in a short while from now, he'll file his nomination for the Tiruchi East Assembly constituency. We are given to understand that Vijay has in fact landed at the Tiruchi airport and he is en route to this corporation office right now where we are reporting from. So in another few minutes, around 11 to 11:15 a.m. Is when Vijay is expected to file his nomination papers at the, Tiruchi East Corporation office over here to the returning officer. So definitely it's a very important day for Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam, and as we all know, Vijay has decided to contest from 2 seats this time, and both of them are urban seats. One is in Chennai and the other is in Trichy, and both Chennai and Trichy districts, they are considered to be the strongholds of the ruling DMK government. So sources in TVK tell us that Vijay wants to contest and he wants to hit at the DMK right at their strongholds, and that is why Vijay has chosen 1 seat each from Chennai and Tiruchi is what TVK sources tell us. But meanwhile, TVK is also expected to release their manifesto in the next couple of days. The manifesto's last leg of preparation works are currently underway. So in the next couple of days, the full manifesto of Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam will also be released. And a few days back, Vijay also released the candidates list of, for all the 234 assembly constituencies. So it looks like TVK is prepping itself up for the elections. And after filing the nomination papers here, Vijay will be campaigning in around 300 meters from this location. There is a junction called the Marakadai Junction.
Just a few minutes from now, he's going to be arriving to file his nomination. Dharini, request you to stay on with us. There's another important update coming in from poll-bound Tamil Nadu, and this one is about Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and DMK Chief M.K. Stalin. Now, he has strongly condemned the FCRA bill, Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026. He has called it a direct attack on Christian NGOs, churches, and other minority institutions. Let's go back to Dharini, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Dharini, so on X, we have a post coming in from Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, wherein he has condemned the FCRA Bill 2026.
Well, definitely Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has put out a very strong worded tweet this morning condemning the FCRA bill. In this tweet, he says that, after attempts to take over Waqf properties, now the Union BJP government is moving to choke foreign funding for other minority institutions. Although for now, if this bill is not going to take shape, keeping in view the Kerala Assembly elections where Christians live in large numbers, there are clear plans to push the FCRA through a special session in the parliament, and this is very unjust. This is an unjust act, and this cannot be completely acceptable. Accepted is what Chief Minister M.K. Stalin says. So he has put out a very strong worded tweet in which he is condemning the Union BJP government, and he's going on to say that earlier, as far as the Muslim community is concerned, the Union BJP government has been trying to take over the.
Thank you very much, Dharini, for the moment for joining us with those details.